welcome. You have a question here to solve. Simplify 3 raised to the power n minus 3 raised to the power n minus 1 all over 3 cubed multiplied by 3 raised to the power n minus 27 multiplied by 3 raised to the power n minus 1. Solution. You have 3 raised to the power n minus 3 raised to the power n minus 1 all over 3 cubed multiplied by 3 raised to the power n minus 27 multiplied by 3 raised to the power n minus 1. This gives us 3n minus 3n all over 3 all over 3 cubed times 3n minus 27 multiplied by 3n minus 1. This gives us 3 raised to the power n is common. We bring it out. We have 1 minus 1 over 3 all over 3 raised to the power n is also common here. We have 3 cubed times 1, then minus 27 times 1 over 2, because this is the same thing as this 3 raised to the power n minus 1 here, the same thing as 3n over 3. So when we brought out 3 and we're left with 1 over 3 there. So this actually cancels this. We have 3 raised to the power 3 is 27. Then we have 1 minus 1 over 3 is 2 all over 3. Then this is all over 27 times 1 is 27 minus 27 all over 3. This gives us 2 all over 3 all over 27 minus 9, and this is equal to 2 all over 3 all over 18, and this will give us 2 all over 3 times 1 all over 18. 2 here is 1, 2 here is 9. Therefore our final answer will be 1 over 27. This is the final answer. Please subscribe to this channel. We'll see you in the next video.